Good morning everyone. My name is Nugroho Aldi Braga. I'm from to class 17 5B01 majoring in Information Technology at Bina Sarana Informatika University. My student ID number is 1723006669. It Today, I'm going to talk about inside the computer and hardware. In the short presentation, I will explain what inside a computer, include the main hardware component, and describe how they work together to make a computer function. So, let's get started. And is hardware understanding how the computer works from the inside. Next slide. Introduction. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device in process data into information. Two is has two main part, hardware and software. Hardware, the physical component. Software is instruction to tell hardware what to do. In this presentation, I focus on the hardware, what is inside the computer and how it's work together. Next slide, major hardware component. One, input device allow user to enter data. Example to mouse, keyboard. Next, output device, so to resort. Example, monitor, speaker. Next, processing unit, the brain, the computer. Example, the CPU. Storage device, save data and file. Example is hard disk and SSD. Next, inside the CPU. CPU has two main parts. One, allow arithmetic logic units, performance and logic operation. Two, CU control unit. Control unit direct the operation of the processor. The CPU process. Fun fact: the CPU processed million of instructions per second. That's why it's called the brain of the computer. Next slide, memory types. One, RAM, random access memory, temporary memory, and data is lost when the computer is off. Two, ROM, read-only memory. Read-only memory, permanent memory, storage system, startup instruction. Second storage, long-term storage, hard device, SSD. Think of the RAM as short-term memory and hard device as your long-term memory. Next slide. Other important hardware. One, motherboard. Motherboard is main circuit board connecting all components in the CPU. Two, power supply unit converts electricity for internal use. Three, graphics card. Graphic card is process image and video. And Last, cooling system keep the computer from overheating. How two hardware works together: one input via keyboard or mouse, two processing CPU or CPU and memory handle data, three storage save data in drive, four output resort the show on screen or print. All parts must work together to make the computer function efficiently. The last slide, summary. Summary: hardware's physical component of the computer, key parts, example, CPU, memory, storage, input, and output device. Each component has a specific role but work together. Understanding hardware had us appreciation how powerful and complex computers are. That's are from my presentation about inside the computer and hardware. I hope this presentation have give you better understanding of the what really inside the computer and how these parts work together. Thank you very much.